Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad and happy that you guys loved the chocolate ice cream I shared a couple of days back. Thank you so much for all those amazing pictures of the chocolate ice cream you have inboxed me on Facebook and on Instagram. Many of you requested a vanilla flavor ice cream. So today's recipe is vanilla ice cream made without milk, whipping cream, eggs, condensed milk, sugar or even corn flour. You can see that the texture of the ice cream is just like that of store-bought vanilla ice cream, but minus the unhealthy sugar, preservatives, fillers, additives, artificial flavors and whatnot. It's hard to believe that this creamy ice cream is without whipping cream and condensed milk. Kids and the whole family can enjoy this vanilla ice cream. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I have soaked overnight about 20 almonds and I'm peeling the skin. Instead of almonds, you can use soaked cashew nuts, which is what I used for the chocolate ice cream. If using cashew nuts, you may need to soak only for 10 minutes. Once the almonds are peeled, into a blender, add in half cup water, the soaked and peeled almonds, half teaspoon vanilla essence and blend all this really well to make fresh homemade almond milk. Now, if you have plant-based milk at home, you can skip this process and proceed to the next step. Some of you had asked me in the comments the reason why I used cashew milk in the chocolate ice cream recipe which I had shared a couple of days back. And hence, the plant-based milk is much needed in this recipe as it will help to make the ice cream more creamy. So do not skip adding any plant-based milk of your choice when making this ice cream. For natural sweetness, I'm adding in 3 dates. Make sure you use really soft dates. If not, you may need to soak them for some time before blending. I have already sliced 3 medium-sized ripe bananas and I have freezed them for about 8 hours. You can also freeze them overnight. Now into the almond milk, add in the 3 frozen bananas. It's very important that there is some liquid in the blender. The liquid will help the frozen bananas to blend well. I'm using my mixie jar which I normally use to grind dosha and idli to make this. Blend this for 30 to 40 seconds, then open the lid and with a spatula mix well and again blend for another 30 to 40 seconds. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times or until the mix is creamy and thick. It is very important that before adding the banana, there should be some liquid in the blender. Only then the bananas will get nicely blended to a creamy consistency. Once the mix is creamy and has blended well, pour it into a tray. Now my children like some chocolate chips in between. So after adding half of the mix, I sprinkled a tablespoon of dairy-free chocolate chips. You can use chopped dark chocolate instead or even any nuts of your choice. Pour in the rest of the mix and level the top with a spatula and again sprinkle some chocolate chips. Adding chocolate chips is entirely optional. You can totally omit it if you don't prefer. Cover and freeze for about 7 to 8 hours or overnight. Once the ice cream is ready, serve and enjoy them. See how creamy the ice cream is? A healthy ice cream for the whole family. Let me show you a close-up of the texture of the ice cream. So creamy and healthy. So guys, do try this healthy and guilt-free ice cream and don't forget to send me pictures on Facebook and on Instagram. I hope all of you are safe and in good health. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.